On January 22, 2025, employees of the Lubbock Animal Services and Code Enforcement Departments served a search and seizure warrant at a dilapidated home in the southeastern part of the city.
We got a call on this house yesterday. The person that reported it was concerned about check welfare and check numbers. So when we came out yesterday, we saw quite a bit of fecal material in the living quarters of the animals. And obviously that's not a healthy environment for moms, puppies, cats. So that was part of the reason we decided to seize the animals. In the city of Lubbock, you can have 4 adult cats, 4 adult dogs, and you can have a litter under 16 weeks of each. When we examined it yesterday, there were 12 females with puppies, all with a litter each, and there were multiple cats, at least 13, and 1 deceased on a couch. I got a warrant as soon as I could, and we came back out today to serve the warrant and to seize all of the animals on the premises. By the time we got here, he had moved just about all of the dogs off of the premises. So we were only able to pick up 4 dogs today and no puppies. We did, however, pick up quite a few cats. They both can fit in one, I think. They're giving us like 4. Oh, it's a leash. You know what this is?
What?
Progesterone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like there's a ton of this in here.
Yeah, he's Bruce.
Yeah.
Artificial insemination.
Yep.
So all of this yesterday was filled with dogs. Parvovirus vaccines. So he's vaccinated too. Yeah. Progesterone. You're not getting that unless you're breeding. Yeah? You want a glove? You've got to be kidding me.
That's a thick electrical cord.
Oh.
He's probably feeding power to a small structure that appears to be electrical.
Is this gonna get like...
I don't know where it's hooked into the top of the house, but...
Hi, kids. It's okay. Yeah, it's so scary, huh?
You can tell dogs were also here recently. He's dumping out the water. Yeah, and it's frozen. Yeah, so you can get these 5-gallon buckets. Yeah, one's turned sideways, one's standing up. They hold a lot of heat and they're really insulated, so people will use them for dog houses. And it counts because it has a floor, all sides, and a top. However, one, you want to make sure it's safe for your animal to move. It's comfortable too for your animal to move around in, stay warm. But you have to be careful because if you keep that same housing through the summer, it doesn't have good ventilation and they'll overheat and die. It could be an incubator.
See, that's what I was thinking.
It could also be, the tube is making me think, a carbon dioxide chamber. You use them out on farms, so when runts are born or babies that aren't going to make it, you put them in there and you gas them down.
Andrews Veterinarian Clinic at Andrews, Texas. Oh look, this was 201K breeder. And it's not even, it's still closed. We did it.
Polypropylene needles.
That's disgusting. I was gonna open things.